Yo, what is going on YouTube? This video today is going to be showing you how to get free keys in Rivals Roblox. This is actually using a working Roblox Rivals code that you can redeem right now, guys, in 2026, and it is going to supply you 10,000 free keys. Most of the keys that I discovered on, most of the codes that I discovered on Google supply you very little in the way of keys and resources, but I've actually managed to find probably the best Roblox Rivals codes, and you can redeem right now to get 10,000 keys for free. Before I show you these codes, make sure you do drop a like on this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm always searching for new Rivals codes, so you're definitely not going to want to miss those new videos. So essentially, guys, you need to use your mobile internet browser. I know you probably play Rivals on your PC, but just use your mobile phone to obtain this Rivals code for your free keys. So what I'm going to do is head on over to this website. So make sure you type it exactly how I'm going to be typing it here, guys. crashcoupons.com. So it's very important you can actually type. I'm trying to look through the camera screen typing. So apologies if I mistype anything. But yeah, go to www.crashcoupons.com. And guys, if you haven't seen this site before, I highly recommend that you keep them in mind for any future code requirements, because they actually have hundreds of games on here with loads of different codes. I've been using them not only for Roblox games, but for tons of other games as well. But what I'm going to do here to speed up the process of finding the Rivals keys code is use the search bar, and I'm just going to type in Rivals Roblox, and this is the codes here. So there are 5 verified working codes, and hundreds of people have been using them today. Over 28,000 have rated these Rivals codes almost 5 stars. So I've actually already done this, so I'm just going to drop it 5 stars and make sure you do the same once this works for you. So go ahead and scroll down. And what you're looking for, guys, there's a few different codes. You can even get things like skin cases. But what you're looking for is this one: get 10,000 keys for free in Roblox Rivals. So this code is working in 2026. This is verified working, and you can see there's 600 codes left. So they are limited codes, but there are a bunch of them. So as long as this page and this code is available on Crash Coupons, that means they're not run out, they're still available. So guys, I have already done this, and it does limit one of these codes per person, so I won't be able to do it again. But what you need to do is unlock your Rivals code. This does take about 5 minutes to do. So yeah, just make sure you click on that get full code button and follow the instructions. It's going to tell you how to get your Rivals code for your free keys. I had to complete a couple of tasks, which are really easy things like playing mobile games, answering free surveys and stuff like that, guys. Complete 2 of them, and it will basically send you back to this page on Crash Coupons, and your Rivals code will be displayed. Since these are limited, make sure you keep it for yourself. Don't give it to your friends, because it will be expired once it's been redeemed. But yeah, that is going to give you 10,000 free keys in Rivals. Go to Crash Coupons. Make sure you do drop it 5 stars once you get your code and redeem it. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.